how to go about using the doodle tool on the inShot editor app. This was a new feature not too long ago, recently introduced, so make sure you have the latest update for this feature here. As part of the beginner's guide here, when you enter here, and I'll show you how to get here, let's just say you're in this view here, you want to go to the sticker section right here, then you'll see the doodle option, which is right there. If you don't have that, just make sure you have the latest update. You probably need to update your app. So as you tap on it, this is going to show up here, and you're really going to make good use of it, one, if you know how to draw, and having a pen like this here would make great wonders. Okay, so this here is the pointer size, the thickness of the doodle here. This is the transparency as to how visible it's going to be. You can just watch that white dot there. This is going to be your color option. You have these different styles here. You got some preset styles as well. And let's just say I go with this style here. You'll notice this. And you can change the color to something else, all right? So the doodle basically is gonna work effectively if you have a pen. Using your finger is gonna be kind of hard unless you're really good with using that. Now I'm gonna reset all these here. I'll go ahead and just use one of these here just to show you how that works, okay? And I'll press the check mark, and just like you are adding a text, a photo or video, you will have the duration here, and you can get access to other features here as well, okay, like copy and all that stuff here, deleting it, and you can go to edit it if you want to, giving it an animation style, especially if it's something that really works in your favor, okay? This here can, if you do the flip here, they can flip it around here, but there's no modifying of that drawing. So if you did a doodle and you want to modify it, you really can't do that. You can just delete it and then try something else again, okay? And you can also just use it to write words onto it like that again. And then if it's going to start, it's going to appear like that here if you animated it, and then exit out your video layer. That's basically what the doodle is. So it's really good if you know how to go about drawing and whatnot, okay? So let's move on to the next part.